Hello, and thanks for taking a few minutes today to learn a little bit about NSi AutoStore. AutoStore can turn your office copier into an intelligent productivity tool for you and your colleagues. Imagine converting paper documents into digital copies which can be securely delivered to the destination of your choice, to a local folder on your network, a colleague's email inbox, or even into your accounting or other business application. In this webinar, I will share with you how you can use your organization's existing phone extensions to identify the destination for the delivery of a scanned document using NSi AutoStore and your company's digital copier. As you know, phone extensions are a convenient shortcut for quickly reaching a colleague in your office by phone. I'm sure you have many of your colleagues' phone extensions committed to memory, right? So why not use the same identification system to easily route documents to them using your digital copier? Here's how it works. With AutoStore, the user enters a valid phone extension via the numeric keypad of the MFD, which is checked against telecom data from Active Directory or the company phone system. This identifies the home folder and email address of the user to whom that phone extension belongs. A user can enter his own extension for a Scan to Me workflow or somebody else's extension for a Scan to Colleague workflow. Defaults for file format, as in PDF, Word, and Excel, file name, and destination, like email or home folder, can be changed or left as is for a user experience that takes only seconds to complete. On top of this, AutoStore is intrinsically secure because destinations are restricted to company email or networked folders, and thus auditable. So let's see just how easy that works for an end user standing in front of the multifunction device. First, we need to walk up to the device we want to scan with, preferably with the coffee mug in a safe place, and an AutoStore login pop-up screen will appear. Then we'll push the Enter Touch button situated to the right of the username field. The virtual on-screen keyboard appears, or we could use the numeric keypad of the device as well, here on the right, to quickly enter a valid phone extension. And then push OK on the front panel to confirm the input. The phone extension automatically appears in the username field. The phone extension is the information AutoStore will use to check the phone extension against telecom data from the Active Directory or the company phone system. We're not using a password requirement here, and what's cool about that is it allows you to not only scan and send your documents to your own phone extensions, but to any phone extension and in a very secure way, which we'll get into in a second. So let's go ahead and push the login button now. The extension I have entered happens to be my extension, and the Scan or Send to User button appears. If I wanted to scan something in for a colleague, I would have entered his extension instead, and would be faced with the same screen. So let's push that button. AutoStore automatically populates the available fields with preset defaults for file format, such as PDF, Word, and Excel, the file name, and destination, which would be email or home folder. All of this can be changed or left as is for a user experience that takes only seconds to complete. For visual confirmation, the panel indicates where the document will be routed, which is very neat. So we'll scan this document to our home folder, as we only want to archive a piece of printed marketing documentation locally on our drive. Then we'll push the Destination button to change the destination to our home folder instead of email. AutoStore presents us with a quick selection box where we can change the destination from email to home folder quickly. So let's select Home and push OK. The panel is updated and reflects our new destination of choice. Note as well that this method is intrinsically secure since destinations are restricted to company email or network folders. We can now press the Start and Scan button, and our paper document will automatically be scanned, processed, and stored into our designated location. Then back at our desk, we can access a scanned and searchable portable digital document in our network home folder with the appropriate file naming, thanks to AutoStore. Finally, let's discuss the top benefits of this AutoStore solution. There's no need to key in long email addresses at the front panel of the MFP. Scanning processes and routing documents is as easy as entering a phone extension. You can share paper information digitally, facilitate collaboration and enhance the decision-making process, send to departments such as HR, accounting, technical support, etc., and significantly reduce your paper use. Reducing paper use is not only environmentally responsible, it's also extremely economical and efficient. Associated paper costs such as copying, printing, postage, disposal, recycling, and storing can be as much as 13 to 31 times the purchasing cost of the paper. Translated, a $5 ream of paper could actually cost a company up to $155, and that doesn't even include labor. So thank you for joining us. We hope you found value in this webcast. If you want to be contacted to know more about this specific AutoStore solution, please click on the Contact Me icon or download this webcast for offline use.